Welcome to the BerrytoBomaderry Princes Highway Upgrade Animated Flyover. This animation aims to provide you with a visual aid of the design of the project. This animation shows the BerrytoBomaderry Princes Highway upgrade, starting at the project's northern boundary at Mullers Lane, travelling south towards Bomaderry. The project will provide a 4-lane divided highway for a distance of 10.5 kilometres between Mullers Lane and Camberwarra Road. Immediately north of this upgrade is the Foxground and Berry bypass, which is expected to be open mid-2018, weather permitting. The traffic levels shown in this animation are indicative of the expected traffic volumes in the year 2019. As part of the upgrade, we have not permitted right turns out of local roads. The U-turns you see throughout this animation will allow residents to turn around and head in the opposite direction. These have been strategically placed to minimise travel time for residents. The project features 3-metre wide shoulders which can be used as cycle facilities. The intersection at O'Keefe's Lane will provide access to properties on O'Keefe's Lane from the north and south. An overpass of the highway at Jaspers Brush will provide access to properties on Strongs Road, Jaspers Brush Road to and from the north and south, as well as access to and from properties on the east side of the highway via an access road. The new bridge over the highway at Strongs Road will be built from weathering steel. This steel was chosen as it complements the rural environment and requires minimal maintenance. The steel is designed to form a thin coating of rust called a patina. This steel has been used in bridges and buildings all over the world. A U-turn facility will be provided in Ison Lane for use as a bus stop and waste collection facility. U-turn facilities are located further south of Ison Lane to allow northbound vehicles to return to the southbound direction and to allow southbound vehicles to return to the northbound direction. We are building a new bridge to replace the old bridge at Wiley's Creek. The bridge will feature one of the 3 fauna crossings to be built as part of upgrade to allow animals to pass under the highway. At Turners Lane, a southbound exit to a service road will provide access to traffic to and from Turners Lane, Marshall's Lane and Devitt's Lane. There will be underpass of the highway at Devitt's Lane. The service road ends with an entry ramp to the highway heading southbound. Access to and from the northbound lanes will be possible via the underpass and an intersection with the northbound carriageway. The intersection at Lamons Lane and Boxall's Lane allows access to properties located on these roads, and U-turn facilities will be provided on both Lamons Lane and Boxall's Lane. A private access road located east of the highway will allow access via Lamons Lane to properties located between here and Tullian Creek to the south. The Maru Road interchange will provide access to properties on Maru Road and Pestells Lane to and from the north and south. This overpass provides a key connection to the highway for motorists from the northern part of Bomaderry east of the highway. The new overpass bridge at Maru Road and Pestells Lane will be built from weathering steel, similar to Strongs Road. Abernethy's Lane will have an area for use as a bus stop and turnaround and also for waste collection. There will be a U-turn facility south of Abernethy's Lane for vehicles heading north to return to the south, providing access to properties on the east side of the highway. The southern extent of the upgrade is at the roundabout at Camberwarra Road. The upgrade will increase road capacity and improve traffic flow. The upgrade will help planning for the future by providing better and more reliable trips for people, businesses and freight. There will be increased overtaking opportunities and safety will be improved.